Guys, welcome back to our channel Debug Thugs. So today we are going to learn how to set up Maven project in IntelliJ IDE. So let's start. Before moving ahead, make sure Maven and Java are properly installed and set up in your PCs. If not, please refer to our old videos or you can even Google it and properly install and set up Maven and Java in your machines. So let's start. As part of this video, we would be following few steps. Those are like this. Uh, Firstly, we would be cross-verifying Maven and Java are properly set up in our machine or not. So for that, there are few commands we would be running in the command prompt. Afterwards, we would be downloading and installing IntelliJ IDE. After that, we'll be creating a Maven project using Spring Initializer. I generally prefer Spring Initializer. This step you can also skip if you have if you are already having a Maven project. If not, you can follow the process how you can know right how we can create a Maven project using Spring Initializer. And at last we'll be doing the setup. Okay, so let's start with the first step. So for the first step, you can go to the search. You can type cmd. Command prompt will come. You can press enter and you can type the first command, that is java version. So you can see java 17.0.8 is in our machine. Second command would be java c version. Same version should come in both the places, that is java 17.0.8. Third command would be mvn version. So you can see apache 3.9.5 is there. Apache home path is C Apache, C Maven, Apache Maven 3.9.5, and Java version is 17.0.8, which is same in all three. So Java is properly installed and Maven is also properly installed. For Maven, this is the Maven home path. Right now, this may not seem important to you, but this will come in importance afterwards. This Maven home path, C Maven, Apache Maven 3.9.5. Let's move towards the second step, that is downloading and installing the IntelliJ. You can open any browser, you can Google IntelliJ IDEA. You can click on the first link, that is in JetBrains link, and click on the download. Right now I would be downloading the community version, that is free of cost. You can get a little bit scroll down, you can download the community version, click on download. If you are already having the IntelliJ IDEA, you can skip the next 10 to 20 seconds the video. So here it is, downloading IntelliJ IDE. It would take 30 to 40 seconds. Parallelly, the step 3, uh, we can create Maven project using Spring Initializer. So you can open another tab. You can search in the Google Spring Initializer. You can click on the Spring Initializer. Spring Initializer is a Spring tool uh, through which you can create a Spring project that can be Maven or greater project. I generally prefer this for creating Spring projects. You can create from IDEs as well, but I generally use this. For this, our project would be Maven. I generally prefer stable version, that is 3.2.2. Generally, you can avoid using snapshot versions. For me, it would be jar, and we are using Java 17. So I would be changing the group to debug thugs. Artifact name would be first project. Okay, so demo project for Spring Boot. Here we can add the dependencies as well. I would be adding two dependencies, that would be Spring Web, and one more would be, I guess, Lombok would be fine. Yeah, you can add more as well. You can add the dependencies you want. I am adding these two and creating the Spring demo Spring project. So downloading is done. Let's install the IntelliJ and then open this project and that IntelliJ, and then let's see how we can set up Maven if Maven is not properly set up. Let's open it. So currently we are installing the IntelliJ IDE. It would take around 1 minute or so. You can go with the default settings. You can click on next, next. I'm creating a desktop icon. You can also create if you want. uh, clicking on install, so it would take a moment or so. Meanwhile, we can go to the downloads and extract the project we have created. We have, you can say, created from Spring Initializer. So I'd be right clicking, extract all, extract. So this is our project. You can see POM is there, properly structure is there, SRC is there, .mvn is there. So our project is properly structured, already structured from the Spring Initializer. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so IntelliJ is still installing. So it is a heavy IDE, it might take some time. I'm clicking on run IntelliJ IDE, clicking on finish. Do not import settings, press OK. Now here comes the main part, right? The one you were waiting for the long time. Set up Maven project in IntelliJ. My typo, Maven project should be there in IntelliJ. So let's open a project, the one we have downloaded, that is Sora. Downloads, first project. I would click on pom.xml. I would press OK. I will click on open as project and I would trust this project. So it would open in a big screen. Let me maximize it. So as you can see, this project is loading, dependencies are loading. So for you in this step, dependencies might not be loading at all. There might be some dependency issue, my Maven issue, or any other issue that may be happening. For me, it loaded properly, but still, if for you, it may be any issue. We are here to resolve any issue related to Maven. If there is any issue related to Maven, because of Maven, your dependency are not being loaded here, we would be helping you to resolve those issues. For that, you need to click on here this Maven icon. Uh, you can click on settings, Maven settings. Here, this use Maven wrapper is there. You need to replace it with your Maven home path. That is, you can see C Maven home, Maven Apache Maven 3.9.5 for me. You can click on 3 dot. So I will go to C Maven Apache Maven 3.9.5. I will press OK. So the Maven home path is changed. You can expand this Maven as well. Go to runner. In GRE, we should use Java home. The one C program file Java JDK, it will automatically come if Java home is properly set up. You can press on apply, you can press OK. It would resolve dependencies automatically. If not, you can click on this reload icon, reload all Maven projects. So this should do work for you. If it doesn't, the next thing you can do is there is a build. You can do expand this one, life cycles. You can press control and click on clean, click on install, and yeah, so clean and install. Click on this icon, run Maven build. Okay, so it will run your build, it will start building your project, and ideally 99.9% of the cases this should resolve your issues if build is successful. So in my case, build is successful. There were no issues at all in the initial phase as well for me. But still, right, if you are having issues, it should, if it is related to Maven dependencies and it is because of Maven setup, this should resolve your issue. But if it is because of something else, it may not resolve, it may not help. So for our case, build is successful. For your case, I hope build is successful as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching.